do it all. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you chainsaw! He's amazing. We got paid. We paid him $5. Keep going. We paid him enough.
He just walks away.
No, he's not done.
He's not done.
Let's go, chainsaw! Epic ninja rolls, man.
He's a ninja.
No, it's like bad.
I've never seen a fat kid do this.
This is why it's totally worth it.
Can I just check something on
I
this?
know. Nothing hanging out.
Oh, snap! This is why this is the greatest shit ever, dude. This is the weed eater. The weed eater. You missed the spot. See, now we're attracting attention. That's good.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, no, it's not fun. It's not fun when you're willing. At least he doesn't have fucking Tic Tacs for goddamn head.
Here, go chop him in half. Actually, you know what? No, I take that back. Chop me in half. This is gonna be the best part.
This is it.
Okay, I got like 1 more minute left on this. Come on.
I want to wear your bunny